Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the protected lens. Here's this some dirty in the lens, so we need to remove a new lens. When you found the welding quality is bad, it means maybe the lens is damaged. Okay, we take it out, and this is the new protected lens. No matter which side is on the top, or because it's the same, we put it on, and then screw up tighten the link to make it fixed. Okay, after we install the lens back, and we check if any dirt on the surface of the protected lens, and if some dirt or fingerprint on the surface of the lens, need to clean up by the alcohol, and then put it back to the laser head and tighten the screw. That's it.